Are you looking for real ways to make money with ChatGPT? Not some overhyped get-rich-quick scheme, but actual practical methods that people are using right now to build side hustles, generate passive income, and even start full-blown businesses. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 real, proven ways to make money using ChatGPT. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to build a full-time income from home using the power of AI. So, grab a notepad because these strategies are working today, and they could work for you too. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelance writing. First up, freelance writing. This one is a classic, but now it's turbocharged with AI. With ChatGPT, you can dramatically speed up how fast you write blog posts, articles, newsletters, or even long-form content like ebooks. You start with a client request, say, a blog post on how to save money. You ask ChatGPT to draft a structure, generate some copy, and then you fine-tune it to add personality and depth. You're not just copying and pasting, you're collaborating with AI to work faster and smarter. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and even LinkedIn are filled with opportunities for writers. Writers in niches like finance, tech, health, and business are in high demand, and they often earn anywhere from $100 to $500 per article. The more you niche down and become reliable, the more clients will come back to you. And as your portfolio grows, so can your prices. Number 2. Social media content creation. Number 2. Social media content creation. Let's face it, businesses struggle to keep up with their social media. They either don't have time or don't know what to post. That's where you step in. Use ChatGPT to generate post ideas, captions, hashtags, and even full content calendars for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. You can charge clients a flat monthly fee to manage their content creation. Packages can range from $200 to $1,000 per month, depending on the number of posts and platforms. Use tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Metricool to schedule the posts. And you've got yourself a low-maintenance, recurring income stream. This works especially well for small businesses, personal brands, or busy entrepreneurs. Number 3. YouTube script writing. Third, YouTube script writing. Did you know that thousands of YouTubers don't write their own scripts? They're focused on editing, filming, thumbnails, and engagement, so they outsource the writing part. That's your opportunity. With ChatGPT, you can create structured, engaging, and informative scripts based on a video idea or title. You just feed the AI the topic, define the tone, whether it's casual, dramatic, or educational, and it gives you a great starting point. From there, you polish it, maybe add a story or a stat, and deliver a script that's ready to be recorded. Charge $50 to $300 per script, depending on the complexity and length. And here's a pro tip. Use this same skill to launch your own faceless YouTube channel and earn ad revenue too. More on that later. Number 4. Sell ebooks or courses. Number 4. Sell ebooks or mini courses. If you've got knowledge or experience in a specific area, maybe fitness, mental health, cooking, side hustles, or even parenting, you can turn that into a digital product. Use ChatGPT to help outline the structure of your book, generate draft content, and speed up the writing process. Then, you edit and refine it to make sure it delivers real value. Publish your ebook on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, Payhip, or even your personal website. Some creators sell short guides for as little as $10 and still make thousands each month. Others package them with templates or videos to create mini courses and charge $50 to $200 or more. And once it's out there, it becomes a passive income stream that keeps generating revenue while you sleep. Number 5. Affiliate marketing with AI blogs. 5th, affiliate marketing through AI-generated blogs. This is one of the smartest ways to combine AI with passive income. Start a blog in a profitable niche like gadgets, skincare, digital tools, or even pet care. Use ChatGPT to create SEO-optimized blog posts that include affiliate links from Amazon, ClickBank, Share a Sale, or other networks. When someone reads your blog and clicks on a link to buy a product, you earn a commission. Promote your blog using Pinterest, Medium, Quora, or SEO. It takes time to build traffic, but once your content ranks, it can bring in consistent income. Some bloggers make a few $100s a month, others make tens of thousands. It all depends on your niche, traffic, and content quality. Number 6. AI chatbots for businesses. Number 6. Build AI chatbots for small businesses. Most small businesses don't have the resources for live support, but a chatbot can solve that. Use tools like TDO, Chatbase, or ManyChat, and integrate ChatGPT into simple chatbot flows. For example, you can build a chatbot for a restaurant that answers common questions like hours, menu items, or reservation options. Or create one for an e-commerce store that helps with order tracking and FAQs. You can charge $200 to $1,000 for the initial setup, and even offer monthly maintenance for an extra $100 or $200. Businesses love it because it improves customer service and saves them time. You just need a little bit of setup skill, and ChatGPT does the rest. Number 7. Resume and cover letter services. Number 7. Resume and cover letter writing. Everyone needs a resume, but most people hate writing them. With ChatGPT, you can generate custom resumes and cover letters for clients based on their job goals and background. You just ask for their experience, preferred job titles, and any achievements. Then, you plug that into ChatGPT and refine the output. Offer packages that include resumes, cover letters, and even LinkedIn profile optimization. Charge $50 to $300 per client depending on experience level. College students, mid-level professionals, and job changers are all great potential customers. Promote your services on LinkedIn, Etsy, or Fiverr, and you'll find no shortage of demand. Number 8. Local business marketing services. Number 8. Local business marketing. Small businesses know they need marketing, but often don't know where to start. Use ChatGPT to create ad copy, email newsletters, product descriptions, or even blog posts for their websites. You can offer a full marketing package for a flat fee or monthly retainer. Even something as simple as writing a bi-weekly newsletter for a local bakery or gym can earn you recurring income. Charge $300 to $800 per client or more if you offer multiple services. Reach out through email, phone, or social media. Just pitch the value clearly and show samples. A few solid clients and you've got yourself a reliable income stream. Number 9. Create and sell AI prompt packs. Number 9. Create and sell prompt packs. This is one of the easiest digital products to make. Create theme packs of ChatGPT prompts designed for specific audiences, like bloggers, marketers, life coaches, or students. For example, 50 ChatGPT prompts to write better emails, or 100 prompts for Instagram captions. You can package these as PDFs and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify for $5 to $50. People buy them because they save time and eliminate creative blocks. It only takes a few hours to make a polished product, and it can bring in passive income every month. Add some simple Canva graphics, and you've got a product that looks professional and valuable. Number 10. Start a faceless YouTube channel. And finally, number 10, start a faceless YouTube channel. This method brings everything together. Use ChatGPT to write your video scripts. Then use an AI voice like 11 Labs for narration. Create visuals using tools like Pictory, Canva, or stock footage. You never have to show your face or record your own voice. Choose a niche like personal finance, business news, motivational stories, or even tech breakdowns. Monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate links, and brand sponsorships. It takes some consistency, but many faceless creators are earning between $1,000 and $10,000 a month within a year. So there you have it, 10 real ways to make money with ChatGPT. Some are fast and simple, others take time and strategy, but they all work if you stay consistent and treat them like a real business. The key isn't just using ChatGPT, it's about combining AI with your creativity, your ideas, and your willingness to put in the work. Start small, stay focused, and build momentum. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more practical AI money-making guides, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.